In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to Webflow. If you want to automate tasks between Webflow and the rest of your workflow, this connection is the first thing you need to set up. The good news is that the process is straightforward, and once it's connected, you can start building automations much more easily inside Make. Begin by logging into Make and opening either a new scenario or an existing one from your dashboard. If you're starting from scratch, a new scenario is perfectly fine. If you already have a workflow built and just need to add Webflow into it, open that scenario instead. The goal here is simply to get into the scenario editor where you can add and configure modules. Once you're inside the scenario, add the Webflow app by searching for it in the module selector. This is the point where Make asks you what app you want to work with, so just type in Webflow and select it from the results. This tells Make that Webflow is the service you want to connect to your automation. After that, choose the action or trigger you want to use. This will depend on what you're trying to automate. For example, you might want to watch for something, create something, or update content in Webflow. Pick the option that matches your intended workflow because this determines how the module will behave once the connection is active. Next, look for the connection field and click Add to create a new connection. This opens the setup process that links your Make account to Webflow securely. When prompted, give the connection a descriptive name and click Save. It's a good idea to use a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you manage multiple sites or workspaces. You'll then be redirected to Webflow. In Webflow, choose the specific workspace or site you want to connect, and then click Authorize Application. This authorization step gives Make permission to interact with the Webflow site you selected. Make sure you choose the correct site here because that's the one your automation will use. Once authorization is complete, you'll be sent back to Make. From there, select your authorized site ID from the drop-down menu. After that, configure the rest of your module based on the action or trigger you chose earlier. This usually means selecting the correct collection, fields, or other settings needed for your automation to work properly. And that's it. Your Make.com and Webflow connection is now set up. From here, you can continue building out your scenario and testing it to make sure everything runs as expected.